In this video, info on the best battery size for this vehicle, as well as unlocking the car with a flat battery, the auxiliary battery location, and what to set after installation. If the main battery is too flat to unlock the car, you can remove the metal key from the remote by pulling back this switch. The alarm might go off when opening the door, but putting the key fob in the ignition should make it stop. To access the main battery, you'll need to open the bonnet, and because you can never find these latches, I'm showing you where they are. Look for this plastic box to the right of the engine bay and unclip the bonnet release cable. Then push the lid to the front of the car and lift it to remove. And then disconnect the vent tube. Then, to make removal easier, we'll remove the forward-facing plastic cover, but we'll need to disconnect the terminals first. So start by removing the negative terminal and then the positive terminal. The cover is attached just below the positive cable, so move that right out of the way to unclip it in the bottom corner and then slide the back out. Next, we can remove the retaining bracket on the side to free the old battery. I'll provide some info on the max battery size that will fit here a bit later in the video. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. For now, start the installation with a retaining bracket. Just make sure the terminals are well away to prevent accidental contact. Regarding the battery size, the 80 amp hour AGM with around 800 cranking amps is very close to the original, but use these dimensions for the maximum size that will fit here. Then to install the forward-facing cover will definitely require some patience, but lifting the positive cable out of the way should make things easier for you. It's good practice to connect the positive first, even though the negative slipped back on in the meantime, but out of habit I like to finish all the other connections before connecting the negative. Also careful not to over tighten these terminals. Once the terminal can't move around anymore, it's tight enough. Then slide the cover back on with a notable click and clip in the bonnet latch cable. If you'd like to replace the auxiliary battery as well, you'll find it in the passenger footwell area. Just pull the carpet away from the top and unclip this cover. Remove the vent tube and disconnect the terminals with a 10mm socket. It then simply just pulls out. There were no warning messages on startup, and the only thing you'll need to set is the time. Push the command control knob forward to select the top menu and scroll right to System. Select it by pressing the command control knob, then go down to Time, select it and set the time and date from here. Now, to get the maximum life out of this battery, we have some great tips in this next video, so make sure to check it out.